In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Windows 11 version. A lot of businesses get caught out with purchasing a laptop from the high street and they discover when they've bought it that it's running Windows 11 Home. But it can be months and months, even years before some businesses even discover this. And really you need to be on Windows 11 Pro, or also known as Windows 11 Professional. That is specifically built for businesses, and it's really important that businesses understand that they need to have that operating system in place to use it for business use. So the first thing I'm going to show you now is how you can find out your operating system version. It's really very simple. So the very first thing that you do is you use the shortcut Windows and or, and what that's going to do is that's going to pop up a run dialog, and as you can see in here, I've written in the word winver. So you type that in on your keyboard, winver, that's short for Windows version. And once you've typed that in, you press the return key, or you can hit OK. And very simply, this pop-up then comes up Windows 11, Microsoft Windows, and the really important part here is the Windows 11 Home operating system and its user interface are protected by trademarks. So that tells us that we are on Microsoft Windows 11 Home. So if we're a business and we're using a laptop for business use, that's bad news, unfortunately, because as businesses, we need to ensure that the data that we store on our laptops and desktops are secure. So today we've discovered very quickly how we can find out what version of the operating system we're on is. Now, why is it so important? Well, firstly and most importantly, it's very important that you keep your clients' data secure. Why could I be bothered paying more money for Windows 11 Pro? Well, the key important thing here to remember is when you're working with sensitive client data, you need to ensure that if that data gets into the wrong hands, that you can still protect it. So let's say, for example, you are in a meeting in an open coffee shop and you look away for 5 minutes and your laptop's gone. Well, the data that you have on that laptop becomes the thief's information. So basically, you're compromising your client's data. So that's very bad news. So on Windows 11 Pro, you can set up something called BitLocker, and that essentially makes sure that the data is protected with a special key that only you will have access to. So that's something that's really important to be aware of. And Windows 11 Home, it's great, it does enough, but it won't do enough for you to use it effectively for your business. There we have it. So today I've showed you how you can check out which version of Windows 11 you've got, whether you've got Windows 11 Home or Windows 11 Pro. And if you're a business and you are using Windows 11 Home for business purposes, then you need to address that. Please be careful when buying a laptop or desktop off the high street, because sometimes those do come pre-installed with Windows 11 Home. So that's something to be really careful of. And if you're really unsure about where to get a laptop or a new desktop, then please send a message to myself. That's hello@mrvivian.com, and I can direct you on the best next step. If you found my video useful today, then please feel free to hit that subscribe button on my Mr. Vivian YouTube channel. I've got a number of videos here at the moment: transform your flagged emails into tasks, create an email rule, file explorer tips, and much more, and some quick shorts on Excel there as well. There's lots of information to check out on the YouTube channel. So you will see the Mr. Vivian logo on screen right now. So you hit that and then you hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time.